What you excited about, huh? What you excited about? What are you doing with your mouth? You trying to talk? What you doing? Ooh, you want the phone? And there it goes. Give me the phone back. Come on, give Mom the phone. No, 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 no. Come on, give Mama the phone back. Look at those little feet go. Look at those little feet go. Jaden. Jaden, what you doing? What you doing? So we gotta give you a bath. Yes, we do. We gotta give you a bath.
What's wrong with Jaden?
No, you don't want a bath? Look at you grab your feet.
Okay, I'm gonna be with you in a minute. Boo!
You seem to be preoccupied by the kitty and Mr. James.
What? What?
He's smiling at you.
Yes?
Yes, he is. No, he's not. No, he's not. Look at that face. Don't. You're going to knock him over. Don't do that.
Boo! Wow!
Shh. Everybody's sleeping.
What? Smiles!
Yes, he always smiles at you.
He doesn't like me.
He really likes his foot.
He's giggling.
He's trying to eat the side of his seat. Okay, time to say bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Blah, blah.
Oh, okay. Say bye-bye. No, you don't want to say bye-bye? No? No, no, no. Say bye-bye. Jaden, say bye-bye. No.
Boo! You need a pixel.
He doesn't want to go bye-byes.
Ooh, look at that cute small pixel.